see what we got here today. We got these MZS tuning. They're spools for a 2015 Ninja, and this is for my son's 2024 ZX6R. The problem is ordering them. MZS said on Amazon that the actual ZX6 was a 10 millimeter, which I bought a set and come to find out it's not. It was only 8 millimeter, and the 300 is the 10 millimeter. So we got it all off. My son was gracious enough to buy me a Venom stand.
Oh, it's out here
for Christmas. And yes, it's been like 9 months, but we finally got the parts to put it together so we can use it. Yeah. So let's get it going. Ray Bob?
Yeah.
You get one side, I get the other?
Yes, sir.
You look like a dill with that thing on your head.
You asked this of me.
Here, you unwrap that then with your geniusness.
Oh boy, the unwrapping part of the video.
Yes, everybody loves an unboxing.
It says James May.
All right, so if you look at it though, the color is right. The red is right, isn't it? That was the biggest thing. You can see my ass on the other thing. All right, you're gonna have to do
Maybe looking right. Where does this go? Right here?
No. The little
right here.
Yeah, see them little holes with the camera.
Yeah, but I be needing.
It's right there.
I need some sort of hardware for this dog.
Yes, I got you. I'm opening it now.
Oh, your exhaust.
Yeah, if anybody wants a stage 1 Indian exhaust, let me know. I got a beautiful set right there, complete. So you're gonna do washer, spacer, washer. Yeah, and then do washer, spacer, washer. All right, well, I already set that up for you, but I'll take it then.
So I'm putting the washer spacer on the back?
Yep. And like I said, the colors are perfect. That's the main thing I was worried about this bike. It not matching. I don't think they need that. I guess we got to test it with the whatever it is. What do you got? Your Venom stand.
Yeah.
And like I said, do not listen to the Amazon ad. Well, this ZX6R 2024 has 8-inch or 8 millimeter spools, not 10. Oh, this hit your brand new muffler, dude. Damn.
Or maybe, hear me out here.
What?
There's just a big difference in the 9 years of production between a 20.
No, because it was actually in 10 to 2024.
And you dropped your phone.
Christ, I was gonna put something on there, and I cursed.
That's fine.
And there goes like $1,500 worth of shit on the ground. Oh God, mercy. The problem is, I think we're just shooting our assholes anyway.
Ears, at least. Like this.
I'm trying to get the recording, and then we do this.
Guys, I don't know if I did it right. Looks cool though.
Yeah, now I'll give you it's a 10 millimeter bolt. I give you the 8 millimeter. What's going on, key it? Yeah, crank it down.
It's cranked all the way though.
All right, they don't have to fall off. Now here.
Oh.
Now you bought it. You can actually do it. See if it lines up.
Should we not stand up?
Oh, that's right. We stuck them on so close.
You're right.
Because we didn't know what we were doing then either.
Like that?
So, and then a little more. Just go all the way in, and then we'll put it right there, and then figure out where it goes from there. All right, now, just mom was saying, finger tight. Get it straight under. You want it?
No.
How far out? Yeah.
Well, it's crooked, so.
Oh.
Stand the bike up. Ooh. You're
all right. I'll have to tuck them in about a quarter or half inch on each side.
Yeah.
Can you handle that?
On what?
Moving them.
Those?
No, moving this.
Oh,
you tighten it down. Loosen up.
Mine can't go in any further.
No, it's got to come out.
Oh, yours has to come out so mine can go in, right?
No, let's do it again. It didn't look like it was that big of a... How's mine?
Oh, we're good.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Now crank it. See if it goes up.
Push it.
Push down. Like you're at the gym.
Strong leg.
Ta-da!
Look, now we don't have to do all this other nonsense.
Yeah, ta-da! It works like it should. Not bad for $24.99. Maybe adjust them a little bit, but I'm happy with it. You happy with it?
I'm happy with
Like I finally used the jack you bought me.
the jack, the $100 that's been sitting here doing nothing.
Oh, that's it. The bike looks great. And it gives you a little more red. So it breaks up that monotonous white with no other color on it. Oh, I'm sorry. Tough little red slivers here and there.
We can just vinyl wrap the gas tank red.
They're not vinyl wrapping this shit at all. This thing's too new. We're going to vinyl wrap the other one. You're a motivator. All right. Let's go do the next one. Oh! I need this side so you can see it.
Anyone knows where to get an adjustable kickstand? Let us know.
Yeah, we have to raise the bike back up. That was a video we should have did. Kind of lower it. All right.
One like will
This is on.
no. Yes. You asked me in the between the blinks, dog.
We'll figure this shit out, dude. We're a work in progress.
One like will
right.
raise the bike back up and lower
So now
it.
this time we got the 2015 300 EX or whatever they call it, Ninja ABS. And we found out that this is the 10 millimeter of blue to go with the blue. And
The blue.
The ZX6 was super easy. This will be
The
super
blue.
easy too. And the levers. That's all the blue we need on this thing.
And just wait till we wrap it mint green.
Is that what color she wants to do it?
That's
I wrapped yours already.
that seems to be the color she wants.
And what the hell is that? MZS was nice enough to give us 2 sets of bolts. But one doesn't have the thing with it though.
Yeah, I don't have spacers. I have bolts, no spacers.
I got a spacer.
All right. Washer.
Let me set one belly. Yeah, I'm skinny.
Well,
how many booms is this gonna get, RJ? Boom! 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 We're just a couple New Jersey douchebags too! Boom! Or is that uncalled for?
that is absolutely uncalled for. You can see how much of an asshole you look like.
Let my haters be motivators, or
You're just hating on someone else.
I am. I'm jealous. Because my kids are tools. If I had cool kids, I'd be freaking famous for pimping them out online. But
Because we're adults.
yeah, nobody wants to see you guys. These funky asses.
Is this the?
All right, I wish we had light out here, but there's the hole.
Oh, you know where the Allen key went?
We need a different one here. We need a 10 banger.
Oh,
Oh no, that's an 8 millimeter. That was a 6 mil. 6 millimeter
that's good.
for the 8 millimeter bolts. 8 millimeter. Got it wrong way, son.
Dyslexic.
You're learning. 8 millimeter for the 10 millimeter bolts. How did it fit? It fit even with the washer? I don't think it's cocky. Get rid of that washer. Maybe it'll fit flusher.
Well, now. In bull cocky.
We'll just do
Only one washer?
Yeah, not the one closest because it's and that fits a lot smoother. So I suggest only using the one washer, not one towards. Man, this thing's tighter than a tiger, brother.
Look at Toyer.
That one actually going in? What are you doing, dude?
Spinning it.
Ripping it out?
I hope not. It'd be really awkward if I was.
Sounds like it's going in. Think so? Is it getting tighter?
It's definitely getting tighter.
All right, now turn it the other way.
Oh, you want to go?
No, this way. Put some leverage on it so you get it tight. There you go. Perfect.
You're a hater.
No, I'm teaching you, dude.
You guys hear it?
Dad.
You guys hear it? He's a hater. He's trying to force his chronically online sons into doing car things.
Yeah, God forbid you get off the computer for a couple of minutes. Playing World of Tour Call and whatever that crap you play.
Actually, I've not played Tarkov in a long time.
Snug as a bug in the rug. Let's see if
If it lifts,
it lifts. Let's get that crack blacking. That camera's actually still pointing. We'll figure out how this technology works.
lifting straight.
Does it line up?
Nope.
All right, so we're gonna have to move the arms in and out.
Oh, we should move this one out more.
That way.
Yes, this arm out this way.
Wow. Stop tightening them down so tight.
I don't want it to fall.
Yeah, I know, but we're just
There.
testing it. Yeah. Mhm.
Just know we have to adjust it when we work on each bike.
Yeah. Oh, you got way
Oh.
going. You're gonna do the other side too.
No. I mean, we will do the other side for posterity's sake. Ain't no way this don't work here.
That works on my side.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Lift.
Perfect. That's awesome.
All right, get the chain lube out.
Actually, I got it if you want it. That thing sounds pretty crunchy.
I should have done mine while we were at it.
Chain lube. Rock mover. Where the fuck did it go? I had it.
Damn, under that seat is gnarly.
WTF.
Next time on Dragon Ball Z.